Hey everyone, this is Douglas with DW Automotive Detail, bringing you a quick maintenance interior. For this interior, we begin with a quick blowout, making sure that we get all the dirt from all the cracks and crevices. In addition, it will also help free up some of the dirt that's trapped up in those fibers there. So along with that, we will continue to blow out the whole entire interior there. So, if you're interested, we do offer a maintenance plan for $40 weekly and or bi-weekly. If you're interested in the maintenance plan for monthly wise, it is $80, as well as our uh, every quarter, every 3 months at $120. So again, we are just taking out these mats here so that we can knock all the dirt that's trapped underneath loose with our equipment here. Furthermore, we are going to probably save it for later, as every single detail has their own little process, but I like to vacuum up a little later, as I will automatically hop in the interior and begin uh, wiping down all the panels, and you'll see that here in the next clip. Here we're going to begin with cleaning the leather with our curveball brush here. It really works up a nice lather on the leather seats, and we will always clean the leather seats no matter the condition of it, whether you are a maintenance customer or you are a first time customer. We are going to clean the leather seats, and likewise we will follow up with conditioning them no matter what. uh, Feel free to check us out at dwautomotivedetail.com, as well as our Facebook page and Instagram. And we look forward to detailing your car soon. Thank you.